Imagine earning crypto just by driving your car. No mining rigs, no staking pools, no coding knowledge needed, just you, your vehicle, and the open road. This isn't some future fantasy, it's happening right now. There's a project with a market cap under $20 million that's flipping the script on how we think about vehicle data, ownership, and passive income. And today, ChatGPT is pulling back the curtain on this hidden gem before the rest of the market wakes up. Welcome to the Crypto IQ, where we explore the highest potential projects in Web3 and DeFi and decode them so everyday investors can move with confidence. In this video, we're diving deep into Daimo, a radically under-the-radar project that's reinventing the relationship between drivers and data. From smart vehicles to connected car apps, the future is digital, and DIMO is building the backbone. But here's the best part. Regular drivers get rewarded just for using their car. If you've ever wished your daily commute could earn you crypto, you're going to want to stick around. What is DIMO and how it works? So, what exactly is DIMO? DIMO stands for Digital Infrastructure for Moving Objects. Think of it as a decentralized network for vehicles. With DIMO, car owners can plug into the network, connect their vehicles, and begin sharing valuable data, everything from mileage and diagnostics to real-time location and service records. But here's the twist. Users get rewarded with crypto for doing this. You install a small hardware device in your vehicle, it's plug and play, and it starts collecting data securely. You control it. You decide what to share. And as your car operates, it becomes a revenue-generating asset. That's the heart of Daimo's Drive to Earn model. The goal? Flip the current model on its head. Today, big auto manufacturers, insurance companies and service providers harvest your data for free and profit off it. DIMO gives you the power to monetize what's already yours. The tech behind Daimo. At the core of DIMO is its blockchain-powered infrastructure. The network uses smart contracts to log, verify, and store vehicle data. Every action, every trip, update or service record is permanently recorded on the blockchain in a secure, transparent, and tamper-proof way. And unlike centralized data brokers, Daimo gives you full sovereignty. You hold the keys. Your data isn't just floating on a corporate server, it's in your control, and you decide who can access it. To make all of this work, Daimo has developed APIs and SDKs that developers can use to build apps and services on top of the platform. Imagine apps for usage-based insurance, peer-to-peer rentals, predictive maintenance, all powered by real-time blockchain-verified vehicle data. It's the tech layer for connected mobility in Web3, and it's already attracting developers and mobility providers. Market potential and growth. Now let's talk numbers. Because DIMO is aiming at one of the biggest markets out there, the automotive data industry is projected to be worth over $750 billion by 2030. That's data from your engine, brakes, GPS, and maintenance systems, used by automakers, insurers, urban planners, and more. But right now, most of that value is locked away inside giant corporations. Daimo is opening that vault. It's creating a marketplace where everyday drivers can own, manage, and sell their data. That means instead of Tesla or Ford harvesting your mileage and using it to optimize fleet logistics or sell services, you get paid to share that info with third parties. With only a $20 million market cap today, DIMO is a microcap gem playing in a $1 trillion industry. If it succeeds, even modestly, the upside for early investors could be enormous. Tokenomics and Incentives. Let's break down how you actually earn with Daimo. When you connect your vehicle to the network, you start receiving Daimo tokens. These are the fuel of the ecosystem. They're used to pay for services, interact with apps, and reward participation. The supply of Daimo tokens is limited, creating scarcity over time. A portion is reserved for drivers, another for developers and partners, and a chunk is locked for the project's long-term sustainability. And here's the clever part. The more useful your data is, the more you earn. If you drive often, maintain your car well, and opt in to share richer analytics, you get more rewards. There's also room for staking and potential DeFi integrations down the line, which could bring even more utility to the token. This is a system that directly incentivizes participation, loyalty, and network effects, critical ingredients for any successful Web3 project. How to get started with DIMO. So how do you actually get started with DIMO and start earning? First, head to DIMO's official website and order a DIMO device. This small piece of hardware plugs into your car's onboard diagnostics port, usually located under the dashboard. Setup takes just a few minutes, and once it's installed, your vehicle is connected to the DIMO network. Next, you create your DIMO account. Pair the device with your vehicle and begin streaming data. Through the dashboard, you'll be able to view your real-time earnings, vehicle diagnostics, trip history, and more. DIMO is currently compatible with most modern cars and is expanding support quickly. If you drive daily, even if it's just commuting, you're generating valuable data. And here's the part I love. It's completely passive. Once your vehicle is connected, you're earning tokens every time you drive. You can just set it and forget it, or dive deeper into how your data is being used and by whom. Risks and considerations. Now let's keep it real. No crypto project is risk-free, and DIMO is no exception. For starters, this is still an early-stage project. That means adoption is limited, the token is volatile, and the long-term roadmap, while exciting, isn't guaranteed. There's also the issue of regulation. As more crypto projects intersect with real-world assets and data, governments could start imposing rules that affect DIMO's operations or token incentives. And of course, there's the hardware factor. Even though the setup is simple, not everyone will be comfortable installing devices or managing connectivity with mobile apps. Still, the team is highly responsive, the documentation is solid, and the use case is very real. In fact, the fact that it's tied to something as tangible as your vehicle makes it easier to understand and evaluate than most other altcoins in this space. As always, do your own research, assess your risk tolerance, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. That said, Daimo checks a lot of the boxes savvy investors are looking for. Community and ecosystem. A project is only as strong as its community, and DIMO has been building one from the ground up. DIMO isn't just some faceless crypto startup. It's open source, community-driven, and collaborative by design. There's a growing ecosystem of developers building apps on top of the DIMO protocol, from insurance tools to fleet management dashboards. You'll also find a vibrant Discord and Twitter community where users share updates, help troubleshoot, and participate in governance discussions. DIMO is also working with real-world automotive partners to bring the protocol to manufacturers, fleet operators, and data buyers. The more integrations, the more valuable your data becomes, and the more utility the token gains. This kind of ecosystem growth is what turns a micro-cap project into a blue-chip giant. Roadmap: and what's next. Let's look ahead. DIMO's roadmap includes deeper integration with car manufacturers, smarter token utility through DeFi platforms, and new earning opportunities like referrals, staking, and governance rewards. They're expanding globally, working to bring support for more car models and newer vehicles in Europe, Asia, and Latin America. We're also seeing movement toward enabling NFTs that represent individual cars, with ownership tied to real-time usage data. This opens up use cases in lending, insurance, rentals, you name it. If the DIMO team can execute on just 50% of what's in the roadmap, we could be looking at one of the most important infrastructure projects in mobility tech and Web3. And again, all of this is still under a $20 million market cap. So let's bring this all together. DIMO is doing something most crypto projects only dream about. It's connecting real-world behavior to blockchain in a way that benefits users, builders, and investors alike. By simply driving your car, you help build a data-powered network and earn rewards for it. The tech is strong, the incentives are aligned, and the upside is wide open. With a market cap under $20 million, DIMO is what we call an asymmetric bet. Low downside, massive potential. If this video opened your eyes to a new kind of crypto opportunity, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let us know in the comments. Would you use a system like Daimo in your car? This has been the Crypto IQ, and we'll catch you in the next one.